All right, ladies and gentlemen, traders, welcome back to another live session. Here we are once again, looking forward to the opportunities, looking forward to being disciplined. Yes, KB, I hope KB is well and around today. We do have some stocks. For those of you tuning in on YouTube, be sure to take a look at that disclaimer that's up there. Understand that day trading is risky business and a lot of traders are having a hard time. So take it easy, take it slow, especially if you're now learning how to trade. There's no need to be aggressive. It's best to use risk money and or a simulator before jumping into the deep end. All right. Remember to take it slow. So today I'm watching stock SMMT. This one we did saw yesterday when we did the recap. Gave a sweet move up into a halt and kept going. We definitely missed out some sweet opportunities there. That's the thing. When you leave, you have to know that there's a chance you can miss some sweet trades. SHG, XHG rather, XHG, NVOS, and Lucy I still have on watch. It's still around that $1 area. So we'll see. I post this to the Discord. The watch lists are always posted to the alert section in case anybody ever wants to do back testing. You can go back and check. We have it all the way for like 2 years ago. The watch list stocks from every day. All right, so just a heads up there. But yeah, let's jump into some trend lines, some analysis here. I'll start off with SMMT and then make my way forward. So yesterday's high was actually 1274. Pretty impressive, not bad at all. 1274. So that was a solid move. And since then, we've pulled back. We've pulled back to some really low points here, actually. Let me zoom in on this. The 1 minute time frame. Lows all the way at 683. So I'm definitely looking forward to us not revisiting those levels, at least not anytime soon. We've had highs around 840. And then we recently broke out. So this is not bad. Let's see. Yeah, around 840 we've had highs. That's around 7 a.m. today. And then we pushed up. So okay, not too bad. Pre-market high at 9, what was that? 1012. 1012 for the pre-market highs. Okay, we've been pulling back. VWAP is in proximity. 884. I'd love to see us starting to, hopefully bottom out, right? Can we base out and then curl back up? You guys know I love to trade the uptrending move. The uptrending move is what I prefer. Can we make money in the consolidation and the move down? Yeah, but sometimes it's a little bit more tricky. So SMMT on the daily chart, how are we doing? The daily chart looks okay. We did have a high point back in February 2021 of 1230. That's a level I want to map out. I'm gonna have way too many trend lines up here. 1230. That'll be so that's right at the pre-market highs. Other than that, if we go back some more, going back to like the IPO, around 1480. Let's see, about 1480. What's this high? Gotta zoom in. I'm looking at the daily chart. 1478, and then over that, there's 2 other candles. Okay, let me write this down. 1478. And then there's 1975. $19.75 is the all-time high. And around September, this is all the way back in 2017. Jeez. September 2017, we had 1686. 1590 also. Now I'm gonna map all of them in another. So 1590. Yeah, there's a lot of levels here, but you know, it could be worth it. 1686 is a lot. It could be worth it if, you know, we go all the way up there. That way I don't have to revisit this daily chart. The stock is already fairly expensive, so it's not that out of the way to think that we, you know, we can't get up there. So we'll see. Hopefully we can get at least to 14. That's the, you know, area where we have some gap. So we'll see how this does. SMMT looking decent. Looking fairly decent. Moving on. That's my main stock. I'll have smaller size into the open just to be safe. 800, which is, you know, not that small, but you know, I can't go super red. At least I hope not, if it's not strong immediately. Moving on to XHG, which is up 69%. By the way, don't forget to turn on the screen recording. The alarm just went off. Make sure your screen recordings are turned on. XHG quickly, we had 152 for the highs, and recently we pulled back around 117. I'd like to see it above 120. XHG. Daily chart, not showing any history, so it might be a recent name change. I don't think it's a recent IPO. It could be, but we'll see how it does. NVOS. This one is at $1 and it's up 117% with 48 million shares of volume. NVOS. NVOS. So we've recently had pre-market highs at 104, and it's been a steady uptrend after our highs yesterday. 89 cents. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, we're back. We're back. The 200 EMA, NVOS, 200 EMAs at 127. After this, we're done. We do have Lucy, but we don't really need to map levels out for that one. Lucy will just kind of see what it does, and if there's, you know, good price action, we can get involved. So 127 per target for NVOS. If it is strong, perhaps there could be room, you know, to 170 and then maybe 250, but we'll see. So I'll be watching SMMT into the open, and I'll take it from there. So it's 9:27. It's another day to be disciplined. There's a 2-minute warning. It's another day to be disciplined. It's another day to be patient. It's another day to put out our best selves. Can we trade to the best of our abilities today? Can we follow our rules? Can we be disciplined? Those are the things that I think about before the open. And when I say can I, the answer is heck yes. Heck yes, I can be disciplined. So I'm going to look forward to being disciplined. I'm going to look forward to also being courageous, because sometimes, you know, when there's certain setups, there can be a little bit of fear, right, for the pattern coming down. But sometimes you got to go in, you know, understand what your risk is, and give the stock a chance. So let's see what we get. SMMT, NVOS, and XHG, the top 3 stocks. We got a minute to the opening bell. 1 minute to the opening bell. Also, let's not forget to have some fun, because it'll be interesting. It always is. Another beautiful day. I want to be aggressive towards all the good trades. Got to pace myself. Longevity is key. Don't want to just get red very early too quickly. So I got to pace myself, start off a little slow. And I don't want to let trades go against me. If trades are not working, I want to cut them immediately. And I'm going to size up if it makes sense to. SMMT. Allow us to have this dance. What will it be? Here we go. Okay. My level 2 is lagging. It has a lot of range. You got to be careful. The dip to 80 area worked out. Oh my gosh. I wanted to take that, but it's spreads opening up. Seller at 16. Those shares are filled. It's a little whippy here. Right now I'm kind of just waiting. NVOS, is this going to be the one? Perhaps not. Back over 9, SMMT. That was a brutal fill. I got filled at 27 buying that dip. It was just awful. Come on. We should have went right there. We had everything we needed, including a big bid at 46. We should have mooned it. It seems to be holding up for now. Well, and no, it's not. Okay. Wow, not good. The moment I'm saying that comes down to 85. So it's a little untrustworthy on the bids. I was buying for 915 area there. Not great. How's Lucy? Not loving this one. Yeah, and of course Lucy. Lucy is doing Lucy things. Strong move early. Much better one to watch. Sometimes this right here is a huge difference in the day, right? Setting the tone, getting nicely green early on a move like this, rather than the chop of SMMT, which might need some time. It's actually holding up fairly well. Over 9 here. Hopefully it continues though. Last time I said that we were Titanicing. What I don't want to see is a flash drop of like 30 cents. There's a seller 25 area 30,000. I'm in a size down. I gotta be careful. I don't want to be too red because we might still see something good later. Right now I'm a little red. Lucy actually held up on the dip. Oh, 1500. This is way too small a size for this stock. NVOS. Maybe SMMT does hold up. Maybe it does down here. It looks like it might. It looks like it is. NVOS still strong move. Damn, that's an awful fill, brother. It's all good. NVOS, SMMT are the two. It's rejected. Oh, the 1 minute candle's not holding up. And that was a pretty bad fill. Got filled a cent and a half high, which is not good for the penny land. SMMT, you know, it's still fighting. We held up again down there. There's bids coming. There's big bids though in this area, but maybe it pushes through. Waiting patiently. The new 5 minute candle is about a minute away. Right now, just preserving my mental capital, just waiting. It's coming down a little bit. We'll see if it gives a miraculous red to green. NVOS had a bit of a bottoming wick. Lucy also trying at the highs. NVOS waiting patiently here. Will we see something or a bit of an ABCD? It's a little choppy, but it's moving up. We'll see if it's, you know, what's high? 03. I'm surprised. I didn't expect that. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. Can we get halted up? It looks like it might. A 108. I thought the move from I could have been long at 93, but even if I was, I would have been out at like 95 at best, 96. Didn't really see anything else to get in. Even break of 1 was like a little tricky. Stronger than I expected. Nice move, but hopefully over 1 with this resumption we can see some clean price action. Hopefully this is good, man. If this could be good, then, you know. DHC, lighter volume. What about this one right here? VCNX? What's this? The volume is really light though. Volume is way too light. Oh, there's an entry there though. Volume is too light. Yeah, this one's not worth the risk, and it's halting down. Depths. Okay, waiting. NVOS. For those of you guys watching on YouTube, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. If you're a new viewer, consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel. I'm going to prep orders for this stock. We'll see how far it wants to go, and if it's any good, we're going to look to be on the aggressive side. But we'll have to be accurate. 47.31 resumption time. 47.31. Waiting patiently. It's at 108. It's showing maybe 110. It's kind of sideways. It might resume higher though, more than likely. This is part of the trick of watching multiple stocks. Sometimes it's just better to lock into one. We had a clear ABCD 5-minute candle to make the new high. Everything aligned. The price action itself was a little choppy, but candlestick wise, if you're giving it a chance, holding for a minute or two, just like that, it's a sweet move. The 5-minute setup. 47.31. So we got less than a minute. If it opens up higher, can we get a pullback and then a retest of the highs? If it opens up lower, can we get a break of the highs? If it opens up sideways, we'll see. The sideways resumptions are usually a little tricky. $47.31. 10 seconds, no fear, no hesitation. We're at 108. Here we go. 15. I lost money somehow. Hooray. Can we go all the way? It's too dangerous for size. At least right now, I think. The halt is at 24. I'm a little skeptical here. Can we continue to hold? I need to see over 14 with a lot of green or maybe a little bit more of a pullback. It might go here. Go to the depths. Not good. That's what size. There's sellers coming in. Fair trade. I like that it's still holding up, but we need to push over 14, 15 and like separate. Red to green to red. Not good. Gotta be careful. Perhaps we can get the 1-minute candle to make the new high in the next couple of seconds. Next 15, 20 seconds. Can you see over 13? We need to hold up here. This is big. I got filled above the ask, man. Why is this happening so much? You can't. The moment you put out sizes, like they sneak they pull the orders out of the way quickly, give you that highest price, and then put the bids back down. Put the ask back in place. I mean, that's a great entry to be holding here, selling into the high. If it's not a high fill. All good in the neighborhood though. 18, 20. We should see the next halt up hopefully at 26. Hopefully. Resistance is up there, so we would want to see it get halted up if it gets up there. Too soon. Scratch trade. 14. Big levels here. And there's construction close by, so this is not great. Yeah, I'm not making any money here. This is not good. And we've given a huge move. Fumbled the bag. The fills with size, man. Because the 200 EMA is in proximity, I definitely have to be careful about the pullback if it come down just a little too much. But you know, I would hope we could find support and then curl back up. Right now we're down 700 after what felt like a few scratch trades. So I gotta be careful. Good to see the 1 minute candle making the new high and that we're holding up the pullback. This could be good confirmation for me, as I'm a little skeptical being that we're so close in proximity of the 200 EMA. It's a good pullback. Time is 55. NVOS. NVOS. Okay. All right. Hopefully we can get a higher low here. I'm a little slow to get in just now, and I'm in a little higher, so waiting. But so far, so good. Time 57. 2 minutes 40 seconds to the new 5-minute candle. It's definitely giving a lot of opportunities, but you got to be quick to get into the areas that are attractive. If not, you'll be left for dead. Left in the gallows. I might have to watch for the breakout, depending on how it continues to move. I'd like to see us getting back above 13, 14 area. Right? I. Why is my order sitting? Why is it sitting? Why is it sitting? Come on. What's going on, man? The whole platform froze? What the heck? Bro, what the freak? That took like 20 seconds. Mm-mm-mm. I gotta stay locked in though. I gotta stay locked in here. The fills are like killing me here with the speed. Because the 200 EMA is up there, we might not get the bounce back. I mean, it's hard to say. Short sellers could be all over it. And maybe this is already the backside. But, if the 200 EMA is not there, the chart doesn't look too bad. But, you got to be careful and just maybe I size down a little bit here. VNAI, big drop. Short-lived. Right now we are red. NVOS still watching to see how it plays out here around the VWAP area. Freaking fills on the ask, man. Ah, my goodness. And now such a beautiful dip. Wasted. That could have been a nice 3-cent trade. Come on. The thing is that I'm watching at the bid price and the selling pressure is going in. You expect the ask to be coming down a little bit, but the ask is in the moon. So if you don't hit the bids, you already know what it can be. But I'm expecting there to be a tighter spread at least since we're coming down. Watching right here. Can we keep holding up? Tight stops. Nope, not quite. I think I'm gonna just ease off and wait for something else. John B is a funny guy. John B, brother. Honestly, that probably would sell. Who knows? NVOS back at 02. Perhaps there's life on NVOS. And I keep muting my mic and forgetting. Perhaps NVOS has some life left. I thought with the 200 EMA it would be finished, but maybe there's still a chance. There's still a chance. A chance is all I need. Where there's life, there's green. Waiting and watching. Watching and waiting. It wouldn't be a bad place to see a quick pullback if we were to get it. But if not, we'll see. I honestly would love to trade something else. Something at $5, $6, moving smoothly, linear move. NVOS. This one's a little thick. Sometimes the longer hold is better for some of these stocks. Which is what the resumption, you know, with the excessive volatility that we had, it wasn't bad. Just gotta be careful with the pills. I did lose money with small size though on the first move, which I wasn't sure why. Yeah, I see. That's cool. That's fair. That's okay. WBA, LPA, ADRT. Checking out some of these other stocks. DHAC, MEDS. Not seeing anything particularly good. Watchlist stocks, BNAI. Lucy sold off. NVOS. NVOS, no good. Oh, it's still holding up. We'll see what it does. SMMT, struggling. XGH. VC and X is the volume is too light for me on that one. Right now, Although I'm red, I'm in position. You know, it's just a matter of something coming and something being good. Maybe BNAI, you know, if this one starts to open up a little bit more. NVOS moving up as well. It's just so hard to predict these candlesticks. You know, in terms of which one is going to give a move like this, it kind of just seems a little random. You know, is it going to go all the way? The halt is at 19. Can we get locked in at 20? We need this to get locked in here. Since it's giving a surprise push this strong, we might as well get halted up. Where are those bulls? Can we get locked in? Catch short sellers off guard here at the highs. Because there has to be a lot of people short. They're not going to be expecting this aggression out of nowhere. The halt is now at 24. Brutal, brutal, brutal. And that's what I get for not waiting for the absolute lowest point. It's losing volume, but it's pulling back with lighter volume, so that's not a bad thing. But if the 1 minute candle makes a new high here, we want to see that volume back in. We've lost the steam, and we're not quite at that halt level anymore, which is now at 25 for the halt up. Wait, what? Hold up, hold up. I'm getting filled on Yask almost every time on this one. Time 10:16. I'd like something dramatic here, if possible. SMMT did not stand a chance. The halt is all the way at 27. There's 25. No. The dip should be good here. He had 01. I was in at 6. Gotta buy the bids, brother. Even when the spreads are tight. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Not good. Good shot though, worth the shot. Maybe too aggressive. You would expect a halt up after that. It stalls out at 20. Brother. Back to square one. There's the halt up. At least it's trying. 20 got 27. This price action is such a mess for me. Can we get locked in at 29? The halt is at 30. The 200 EMA still seems to be giving us trouble. If it goes up again, it needs to halt up over 30. Halt is at 32. That way, if we can just resume higher on the gap, we can clear the level. Maybe open up a little more. 150, 170. This candlestick has a minute and 15 seconds. What is it going to be? Are we going to get over the highs or not? What is it going to be? Oh, I'm early. It's coming down. 17. A little early, a little aggressive there. We're trying for the 1 minute candle to make the new high. You know, so I could see this thing going to like 150. I think it's possible. Okay. This is a big level here. We must push through. Kind of a bit of a false breakout there, though. Can we still hold up 17 area? I want to be careful here. The halt down is in proximity. Talk about a tricky one. 179,000 shares for nothing. Not good, brother. Not good in the neighborhood. Not good for business. We still haven't seen anything else on the watch list. I wouldn't mind seeing a different price stock moving. You know, a stock like BNAI, if it's to gain really high volume and can push up. But for now, I'm going to continue watching and waiting. Five-minute candle has about 2 minutes left. You know, still looking pretty healthy, all things considered. Still looking healthy, all things considered. Big Steve, how are you doing on this stock? Big Steve, are you hanging in there, brother? Are you holding it down? I still think there's a chance here for this to be an awesome day. We just have to be patient. There might be a nice stock coming. It might even be this stock that continues to move. It has given a good move so far. Oh, I'm a little late there. Was that comment say I think I'm not what? I gotta move this thing out the way to see. Let's see. I think I'm solid green given the choppiness. Big Steve holding it down. Just like we knew he would. Big Steve, big green. Locking it down. If the breakout trade in this area worth it? What's that? Waiting. I can try again. Maybe it's not worth it. I gotta not do that and just wait. Can't be trying to buy before any indication. Nope, the NAI, man, it just seems like risky business. Unusually so risky, right? More so. But maybe we get break of 4 here. BNAI. Is it possible? But risk is just bids are just flushing out, teleporting down. Not my cup of tea. I think I'll just continue watching NVOS. All we need is one good sequence to get us over the hump. NVOS. We've already given a strong move. I know it's a little unfair to ask the stock to keep going, but you know, this is the market after all. And this can continue to be irrationally strong. So what will it be? NVOS. Will we get another chance? One good sequence. One good sequence. Come on. Where are those bulls? Where are those bulls? Where's the volume? KB, are you still alive? 110, 113, 114, 115. Where are those bulls? Where are those bulls? Of course, want to see the 5-minute candle make the new high right here. And then for a move back to 20 if possible. Come on. Come on. There's hidden sellers here. 15. KB, can we see something? Short sellers loading up. Loading up to get squeezed. Too soon. Okay, maybe that wasn't too soon. But only 16 and then back down. Not great. It's having trouble here. 15, 16. One step forward, one step back. Waiting patiently. Let me just check again, make sure nothing else is moving. Check the chat as well. Check the scans, SGBI. P&L on the day. Red 600. Am I? What's the other stock? SMMT. I think I was green to red on that one. Green to red. Is the 10th time the charm here. Over 15. We still got to see 17 and 18. All right. We might get one more hurrah out of this thing. Talk to us nicely. Son of a gun. If it gets close to 27, it needs to push through. And we need to see the halt up. At this point, it's mandatory, or else we can expect a triple top and rejection, and short sellers will be smiling, feeling good about themselves. So hopefully the stock gets up there and can close above the highs for the sake of the bullish traders. Oh, okay. That's not what I thought I saw. I don't know why I thought I saw 200,000 shares there. Ice playing tricks on me. 17.99. Show me something, anything. Big Steve calling it. Yeah, I don't blame you, bro. This momentum here is this is not great. There's not a lot to work with other than this NVOS, which has been very tricky for me. SMMT, the dips were good at like 880, but it was still a tricky stock. Brutal. So for anybody heading out, stay safe, stay green. Hope you guys are feeling good. Hopefully you had a disciplined day. Any day where you can follow your rules is, of course, a successful day. Although the aim for us is always to be green if possible, right? Can we end green on the day? I followed my rules today, but I am red. There's a lot of good things, but you know, there's nothing like when you also walk away with a little bit of change in your pockets. I always have like 9 pockets, so you know, a little bit of change is not bad. I always wear these like cargo pants. There's like it's too many pockets. Is there any penny stocks moving? Like, so there has to be at least one sub $1 stock that's probably moving up to the moon right now, and I'm not watching it. There's usually at least one of them. Let's see. There's 18. We need to get over 22. Oh, not really seeing any sub. Well, not really seeing any sub $1 stocks. I do have on a Traders for a Cause shirt. I think this might be my first time on the stream actually wearing one of these. So shout out to Traders for a Cause, which is a charity that, you know, traders coming together to give back. This is part of the this is one of the events we, you know, our seminars, events/seminars that we were at in Vegas. Traders for a Cause. And Big Steve, Big Steve and Triad. These two guys. Big Steve up over 400 today. Man, when I grow up, I want to be like you. Nicely green on a slow day like this. Now that's what's up. Big Steve, you got to send me your trading archive from today so I can see those sweet trades that you took. I need, oh, I don't have 500 share. I need way more size than that. Come on, 25. I need to see 25 and 30. We can do this. The Halt up is at 34. Okay. It's the range is a little limited. The fills aren't the best. And the price action is a little tricky. It might be finished. I don't know. This might be the backside. I don't like that the 5 minute candle made the new high and then we're like back below 15. Might be a good place to calm it down. Yesterday we had what was this? That's the name of the stock. SMMT in Power Hour. That looked like it was an amazing move, man. Sweet dip and rip out of that halt. Sometimes you really got to just be here. If not, you'll miss the opportunity. So, today, I don't know, maybe I stick around. It's the last day of the month, but I don't want to be a hero. I don't want to force anything. If nothing is moving, and that's it. But if something comes, that's good. I can start with small size and then try to increase. Some days are pretty smooth. You come in and it's just straight green. Other days like today are pretty choppy where you come in and it seems like it's red trade after red trade. Other days are green to red, red to green. It all comes down to the momentum and if you're in the right place at the right time. Lucy, I think, was the stock for me to watch into the open. But I was watching, SMMT, which was a lot more choppy. Lucy, we actually had a couple of green candles in a row going up from 99 cents to 120. That right there could have set the tone with a couple $100. And in the meantime, I'm not being red on the other stock. So there's like a double positive there. And it's like instead of down 500, you're up 500 right now. And if it's, if there's nothing, then you're out of here. So same energy, same mindset. If there's nothing, we're out of here. But if something does come later throughout the day, it would be nice. It would be nice. Short sellers winning the battle on NVOS. Oh my gosh, this is surprising. Oh my goodness. You know, it's what's strange, man. This thing is so strange, man. I'm looking at the calendar. Today, brother. Anyhows, hopefully we can see some hot momentum throughout the month of June. And, you know, just the summer months in general. If we can see some good opportunities, that'll be really nice. And we see a strong summer. A strong summer. It would be nice for BNAI to take off here. But again, this one does have a lot of risk. Ton of risk on BNAI. I don't think it's worth it for me unless a lot of volume gets in there. But there is a bit of a pattern. We'll see if it comes alive and, you know, is able to hold up its levels, give smooth pullbacks, and a smooth uptrend. XHG is moving up. XHG. Can we get to the halt up though? Losing money on that just doesn't make sense. 30, scratch trade though. 30, 31. Can we get halted up 37? XHG. XHG. 39 for the halt up. XHG showed some life, but you know, we'll see. We'll see if it holds up and maybe tries again. And I want to jump the gun here. What's the float on this stock, by the way? 33, 34. 2 minutes has passed and we're still at 30. Why? Oh, I'm gonna miss that dip. Crap. Not good. Sometimes if you blink, you will miss it. I'm trying to check the float, looking away here. Thinking about shutting it down, calling it and coming back tomorrow. I'm gonna give this one another 5 minutes. If not, I'm out of here. I had my two months in a row, slowest month of the year. We gotta change this trend. Next month we gotta come with that fire. June, the summer months. We gotta come with the flames. Hopefully the market can show us some nice up. We haven't been seeing our usual stocks, you know. We haven't been seeing stocks between, let's say, like 3 and like $15 price range being active. SMMT yesterday was good, but it's like came in power hour. Not everyone is here. Can we get those type of stocks 9:30 to 10:30, 11, 12 p.m. area? Those are gonna be the sweet days. Those are gonna be the days where we can really capitalize and lock it in. NVOS has curled up slightly. I wonder if it's how let's see. I don't know. This is a steep drop. I was wondering maybe if over like 10 it could curl back up perhaps, but doesn't seem too promising, at least not right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna shut it down. The last thing I need to do is overtrade anything and lose more money. When it's not hot, we call it. When it's hot, we push it. And so we will follow our rules. I'll be around though. I don't want to leave out. I've been leaving out a ton. I mean, almost every day the last like month. Like stuff, personal stuff and business stuff. What did they tell me? I have to go see what's it called? Where's the card? I gotta go to a foot doctor. I gotta go to a foot doctor. What's Monday? Monday's the 3rd already. Jeez. But time is flying. Yep. Okay. For those of you going all the way to 4 p.m., continue to be disciplined, continue to be patient, continue to look for those opportunities that you know and love. Relentless Trader is red today, our first red day in 2 weeks after surviving that drawdown and coming out of trader rehab. We actually didn't do too bad in the month, all things considered, for how slow it was and you know how red we were. It's honestly a great recovery. I'm looking at the stats right now. You know, a lot to be proud of here. We were green from the 16th to the 30th. So basically the back half of the month we locked it in and fought our way back to victory as we continue on the road to greatness. Today though definitely doesn't look as sweet on the calendar, but it's all good in the neighborhood. You know, whilst I can say that out loud, and you know, I want you guys to know that I'll never do nonsense. Like you know how people will, like, you know, hey, the first day of the month I must be green, or hey, the first day of the year I gotta be like, stuff like this means nothing. There's millions of days to come. Like, you know, ending a red day, a green streak doesn't mean anything. What I need is for Monday to be hot so we can see a nice big green day. That's all that matters. We see some sweet price action, you know, a nice 10K day, just for the sake of us having a big green day. That's what it's all about, right? Can we see some nice sweet consistency? Base hit days, big green days, they add up pretty quickly. But yeah, you know, and just in case anybody else is out there that might have thought about it, in case your mind is playing tricks on you, well, here I am to remind you to be disciplined and do the right thing. And it doesn't have to be in this, you know, under this specific concept of just the first day of the month, last day of the month, such and such. Maybe you're being tempted to overtrade. Maybe you're being tempted to revenge trade. Maybe you're being tempted to average down. If you're somebody out there and you're being tempted, you know, stay disciplined. You know, we cannot live this life by temptation, right? Temptation in the market is going to only lead us to the depths. So do what is necessary to ensure success. Do what is right. So, short rant. It's the weekend. So enjoy the weekend. Have fun. Enjoy the other business, the other project, the other job. Enjoy time with your friends, family, relatives. And when you get a chance to study up on Sunday or whatever you do, you know, study up and, you know, take the time away, right? And then come back fresh. The last thing we need to do is obsess over the market throughout the entire weekend. It's just not healthy. It's not the way to do it. You want to detach, relax, and then come back strong. You know, and make sure you have a good game plan so that you're coming into the new month ready, right? Or do your monthly reviews, you know, see what you did well that you want to continue to work on, and keep pushing towards, see where you need to improve and make adjustments. And so, you know, I'll be doing the same. Let's study up key days, key green days, key red days, see what needs to be done to be better. Because, you know, it's this thing where over time we can see the progress. Doesn't have to be overnight always, right? I mean, we would love for it to be overnight, right? But 99% of traders, it takes time. Only a few guys we met who the first day they already came out of the womb with a freaking keyboard in their hands and 10 monitors. That's only a few people. Others, we have to, you know, put in that time. Take it easy. Take it slow. So, PIK. PIK is a stock I remember being red on last year. I'm out of here. Take it easy. Stay safe. Stay green. Catch you guys next time. PIK, light volume. Stay safe, stay green. It's been Relentless Trader. Check out those links down below. Links for Momo Pro. All right, Momo Pro. which is a scanning software that I use every day to get the watch list. Coupon code Relentless for 25% off. They now offer halt levels, limit up, limit down, so you guys can see how all the hot stocks are doing. All right. Other than that, be sure to check out the Relentless Trading chat room. That's where it goes down before the live stream, during the live stream, and after the live stream. Other than that, check out the classes. Yes, we do have a full-on course, and it's not the garbage that's out there, but a real day trading course that's intensive. It's long. It goes from 0 to advanced. It's called Merciless Markets. I poured my blood, goodness. You know, I don't know how I speak English my whole life and then I can't talk freely and easily. But anyhow, I'm saying I poured my blood, sweat, and tears into this. And it's a pretty good program, right? So for anybody who's interested in learning the hyper scalping style, check it out. Right? If you didn't know, I'll enlighten you, right? I am trading in a live account and I am a profitable trader. So don't believe any nonsense that could be out there. I don't know if there's any nonsense, but just in case there is, you know, Relentless Trader is the real deal, brother. Day and night, every day. This is us since going live May 1st of 2020. Back when we were just a young buck in the game. Now today we're a little bit more seasoned, but we do have a ways to go. We have improved every year that we've traded. And you know, that's what it's all about. I think going from 16,000 to 40,000 to like 55,000 to 175, and then now this year we're at like 150 something, and we still have 6 more months to go, or 7 months actually, 7 months. So it should be interesting because June is now starting, so it's technically 7 months to go. Will we beat last year's record of 175? Maybe by Monday we will pass it. You know, I'm always optimistic. And man, I don't really like to talk too much, but you know, when the next round of momentum come, I will be ready. I'll be ready, and I'll push myself to get to the biggest share size I've ever used ever. And it should be special. It's not going to be easy. There'll be losses, some big losses, but you know, I think we'll be able to do well. So check us out. Check us out. You know, and I come here and I live stream every day. You know, I have live stream all the way back to when I first started, right? You know, this is no nonsense. This is no, you know, trickery. Just the market and I. Every day. Every day. Every day. Every day. So yeah, check out Merciless Markets. Utilize coupon code Miami for 40% off. All right. We will be doing another day trading team house meetup towards the end of this month. Well, towards the end of June. It should be fun. It's going to be a good time. We're going to take over Miami for a week. Hang out, trade together, learn, grow, network, and so forth. But in the membership, right, comes one-on-one mentorships, scanners, right? We live stream our scanners in the Discord, low latency streaming in the Discord, weekly Q&As, and our live trading archives, which are updated every single day. Every single day. I did import. Marcelo also imported yesterday as well. Tim imported. Tim also imported. Triad imported. So yeah, check out the live trading archives. All right, there's multiple mentors, so you get different points of view of this hyper scalping style. Man, I'm so proud of the community. You know, the community is quite impressive, right? And we're not just here on YouTube, but we have about 100,000 followers on Instagram and another 50,000 or so followers on TikTok. So the platforms are growing. The platforms are growing. The community is growing. Pretty soon we're going to be 1 million total followers, right? I have a feeling it's going to happen very soon, maybe by the end of this year, because this next round of content is going to be legendary. If you guys see this place that we've done, that we have, as I said, Tim Sykes called us out, so we have to up our game. So we went all out on this next place. It makes the other places look like nothing. So the content is gonna be crazy. The content is gonna be insane, and we're gonna be doing some special activities. So stay tuned. We're gonna of course do a vlog, and then there's gonna be a ton of smaller clips. So it's gonna be something else. There's a lot of things we're doing behind the scenes. We can't really talk of everything yet, but coming soon. Relentless trading and MMU to the moon. Guys, take care, stay safe, stay green. And continue to trade to the best of your abilities if you're going all the way till 4 p.m. Because I know some of you guys are. Some of you guys are not leaving the screen for anything. PIK. 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 No, I'm not touching it. At least not yet. Maybe later if it continues. But yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Stay safe. Stay green. Relentless Trader is signing out of here, man. I'm out like salt. Catch you guys next time.